Why is Urdu considered the soul of Bollywood? Today, I'm going to share Iqbal Latif's thoughts on exploring how Urdu shaped Indian cinema and why it still defines its emotional power. Urdu's influence on Bollywood is undeniable. It shaped some of Indian cinema's greatest artistic achievements. It is not merely a language of dialogue or song, it is the language of emotional depth, poetry, and beauty. Films like Mother India and Mughal Azam draw their power from the elegance and musicality of Urdu. Urdu flows naturally with the seven notes of music. This is why Bollywood gave us timeless songs and dialogues that transcend generations. Its grace and versatility allow emotions to speak directly to the heart. Urdu is more than entertainment. Afghans, Bengalis, Tamils, Kashmiris, people across regions often use Urdu to communicate. It transcends regional boundaries and becomes a shared cultural bridge. A language survives when it can express love most powerfully. Urdu became the language South Asians use to express longing, romance, and passion. Its poetic depth connects people across borders and generations. From Amir Khusro to Ghalib, few languages possess a poetic tradition as rich as Urdu. It carries centuries of cultural exchange, Persian, Arabic, Turkish, and local dialects woven into one voice. Urdu was born from the invasion roots of the subcontinent over the last 5,000 years. Every wave of history, Achaemenids, Mughals, British, left its imprint. Urdu emerged from this shared past, not from any single religion. Any attempt to undermine Urdu reflects a narrow, prejudiced view. Urdu is neither purely Sanskrit nor Punjabi nor Bengali. It is a synthesis of cultures. Its strength lies in unity, musicality, and poetic grace. Bollywood's greatest moments owe their power to Urdu. Without it, cinema often loses elegance and emotional depth. Urdu gives Bollywood its soul. Iqbal Latif often flies over Ordu, a city in northern Turkey. The word Urdu means camp or army, the same root from which Zaban-e-Urdu emerged. A language born in camps became the language of poetry and love. From nomadic camps to modern cities, from armies to art, Urdu carries our shared history. It is the language of love, unity, and memory. To understand Bollywood is to understand Urdu. Thank you.